adventure time! And for the first idea, you will need whiteout and blue light clay. Fasten the clay to the whiteout. Form a cloud. Leave the tip of the whiteout open. Draw a face with black acrylic paint. Attach a shiny golden star. Sculpt the arms. Smooth the curves with a wooden stick. Lumpy Space Princess looks charming! From now on, every resident of the Lumpy Kingdom has the right to make a mistake because now they are protected by Her Majesty Lumpy Whiteout. Let's make your notebook adventurous too! Take several sheets of colored paper. Cover the notebook with a sheet of black paper. Fasten a piece of black foam paper to the cover. Cut out a shape like this from white paper. Glue it to the cover. Draw a tongue, eyes, a mouth, and 2 sharp fangs on a sheet of colored cardboard. Cut them out. Attach the pieces to the cover like this. Meet your new notebook! Half demon and half human vampire, Marceline, the Vampire Queen! Decorate Marceline with a red ribbon. Glue everything together, moving down like this. Let's add a little shine to your notebook. Decorate the black background with golden stars. Draw a hammer and 2 curved pieces on black and red cardboard. Cut them out along the lines. Decorate the hammer with black blades. Use Elmer's glue. Make 1 more hammer. Glue the parts together with a thread between them. Attach the thread to the last page of the notebook. This bookmark will help you find the right page in your vampire notebook. And the Marceline will put you in a good mood. Don't you feel like you are in the show already? And for this idea, you need an eraser and a hot glue gun. Pour hot glue on top of the eraser. Form ears on the edges. When the glue dries, remove it from the eraser. Color it with white acrylic paint. Draw an orange oval in the middle. Make dot eyes. Draw a smile. Make another cap in the form of Jake the dog. Now your boring school eraser has a funny cartoon style. No one else will have an eraser like this. Finn and Jake are back together and ready to go on an adventure. For the next idea, take simple magnetic bookmarks. Print pictures of Adventure Time characters the size of the bookmarks. Jake, Marceline, Lumpy Space Princess, Finn the Human, whoever you want. Pair up your favorite heroes. Glue them to the back of the bookmarks. Do plain bookmarks make you sad? Don't worry! These cute characters on the pages of your textbook will keep you entertained all day long. For this idea, take a bright orange cup and a brush. Draw Jake's face with black paint. Fill in the eyes with white acrylic paint. Now take a wire and a piece of yellow foam paper. Cut a strip out of it. Hot glue the wire. Prepare 4 of these parts. Attach the legs to the cup. Bend them to make spirals. Jake's body is stretchy and can be any shape and size. There you go, it's ready! You can trust your new magic dog with some school supplies too. The desk organizer is ready to keep your desk tidy. You will need a pencil sharpener and polymer clay for this idea. Knead the clay into a thin layer. Cover the pencil sharpener with pieces of it. Make a rectangular screen. Decorate it with colored buttons and draw some details. Who is that? Oh wow, it's BMO! A game console system, a strobe light, a video player, a toaster, a charger, and a good friend. And all this in one character. Now the sharpener will sharpen pencils and conquer the hearts of real Adventure Time fans. Don't thank me! Let's inspire a boring paper organizer to go on an adventure. To do this, you will need a piece of shiny foam paper and hot glue rods. Sharpen the tip of a glue rod with a box cutter. Melt the surface of the rod with the heated tip of the glue gun to make it look like an icicle. Make a lot of icicles of different sizes. Cut out dark blue ice crystals from the foam paper. Print a picture of the Ice King. Add decorative stones made out of hot glue and foam paper. Apply them to the wall of the organizer. Decorate the Ice King with icicles. You made an interesting organizer for notebooks and papers. This cold box looks cute and cartoony. Are you sure my school supplies won't freeze? A regular marker also wants to go on an adventure. For this idea, you need colored light clay. Put a piece of yellow clay on the cap. Make ears. Make eyes out of a piece of black clay. Attach them to the cap. Glue white pupils. Make a face. Roll out a long piece. Wind it around the marker like this. Great job! Your boring marker turned into a stylish cartoon accessory. Your friends will be so happy! For the next idea, you need a paperclip container and 2 foam sponges. Mark the size of the container on the sponge. Cut out a groove. Make a hole through the second sponge. Place the container in it. Draw a cloud with a marker. Cut it out along the outline. Color the sponge with purple acrylic paint. Draw black eyes, brows, and a mouth. Make thin arms. Draw the sign of the royal family on the forehead, a bright yellow star. LSP looks indignant and annoyed with something. As usual, let's make Her Majesty happy and fill the organizer with paper clips. We can even make your rainbow markers look like they belong in Adventure Time. Take some light clay. You need pink, white, and black. Make a flat piece out of pink clay. Attach it to the cap and form a horse's head. Make a pyramid out of white clay. Fasten the horn to the head. Glue on eyes. Cut a long mane out of yellow felt. Attach it to the marker. Rainicorn, where did you go? When the clay dries, you can start drawing. Even though your markers work the same as usual, it's still more fun to draw with them. A little rainbow won't hurt your school supplies. Take pink and white felt. Cut out pieces like this. Hot glue them to make a unicorn head. Attach eyes. Fill the unicorn with synthetic stuffing. Draw a smile with a marker. Attach a rainbow slinky to the head. Secure it with a nail file. Use fake hair as the tail and mane. Hot glue it on. Oh wow! Now you have a lovely Lady Rainicorn keeping your sticky notes safe. Now take foam paper and a brush. Draw a hairstyle with long braids on a piece of pink foam paper. Cut it out. Cut out pieces like these from colorful foam paper. Draw a dress. Glue the dress to the brush. Attach the other pieces. Draw a face with a black marker. Whoever said brushes can't be sweet? Princess Bubblegum, you are so beautiful! We guarantee you'll be in the mood for gum! And now you need a few pieces of felt, yellow, black, and white. Fold a sheet of yellow felt. Hot glue it. Attach metal buttons on the pocket and flap. Glue Jake's face out of the remaining pieces of felt. Draw some more details with a marker and put your school supplies inside. Done! A pencil case with your favorite character on it. What more could you want? Did you like our school supplies inspired by Adventure Time? Who is your favorite character? Let us know in the comments. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell so that you don't miss the brightest ideas for school from Troom Troom Select.